Are you a teenager or just someone looking to make some extra cash online? Well, you're in luck because I've got something special for you today. In this video, we're dishing out the top 16 work-from-home jobs perfect for beginners. And get this, they can pay anywhere from $120 to $240 per hour. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around until the end and I'll prove to you that it's legit. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. So let's kick it off with number 1, becoming a social media video editor. Check it out, this company is currently on the hunt for script writers, video editors, and voiceover artists. If you've got some serious video editing chops and you're itching to tweak social media content, head over to their website and throw in your application. Their team will give it a once-over, and if you make the cut, they'll hit you up with some cool projects to dive into. Think faceless YouTube vids or anonymous TikTok accounts. Trust me, it's a blast getting creative with those. All right, we'll now talk about number 2. Now this one might sound a bit quirky, but that's all part of the charm. Enter bananabucks.co, an app where you can actually get paid for taking surveys and answering questions. Now be real, surveys can be a snooze fest, but hey, they've got to call it something catchy, right? Even though it's not exactly thrilling, it's still a solid way to score some extra cash right from your phone. Plus, here's the kicker. It's completely free. Anyone can sign up, anyone can download the app, and anyone can start making a bit of dough by completing surveys. Sure, it's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's hands down one of the simplest ways to dip your toes into the world of online money making. Moving on to number 3, brought to you by Lionbridge. Picture this, a platform where you can actually get paid to flex those multilingual muscles. Here's the deal. They need folks like you to help translate all sorts of content, whether it's audio, visuals, or just plain text, into different languages. So, if you happen to be a polyglot, this could be right up your alley. Best part, it won't cost you a dime to apply. So, if you've got the linguistic chops, why not give it a shot for website number 4, cashstar.com. Here's the scoop. You can sign up for absolutely zilch and get paid to do a variety of tasks. We're talking watching YouTube vids, browsing Google Play, playing video games, promoting different offers, you name it. Now, here's the downside. They're not always open to new recruits. Yep, this is like the VIP lounge of online money making, so they're a bit picky. If you want to get in on the action, you'll need to throw your hat in the ring by entering your name and email address to join the priority waitlist. Fair warning though, it might take a hot minute or a few months before you get the green light to start raking in the cash with this platform. And for work from home gig number 5, brought to you by respondent.io. Imagine this website as your gateway to assisting researchers and companies with their studies right from the comfort of your own home. How cool is that? By simply hopping over to the participants section, you can sign up to become a participant and get paid to take part in research studies. And trust me, it's not your run-of-the-mill stuff. Some of these gigs can pay a whopping $240 per hour. Sure, the average hourly rate hovers around $75, but some high-paying opportunities could see you pocketing hundreds of dollars for just 1 hour of your time. It's not always a walk in the park. Some gigs require serious dedication and experience, but the payoff can be seriously sweet. Now on to platform number 6, widerstock.io. If you're all about AI, then this platform might just be your ticket to some extra cash. Here's the deal. They're all about AI-generated images, and they host these cool challenges where you can put your AI skills to the test. Picture this. They set up a contest, and whoever comes up with the slickest AI-generated image walks away with a cool $100. Yep, you heard that right. Whether it's Bruce Lee or something else, if your creation takes the cake, you're looking at a sweet payday. Prices vary, but you could snag anywhere from $100 to $500 for uploading an AI-generated image. And get this, it could take you less than an hour to whip one up. So if you've got a knack for AI, why not turn it into $100 or more with a work-from-home gig next? Let's explore number 7, contributors.premise. This platform is all about helping companies, brands, and businesses level up their game by making smarter decisions. How? By tapping into the insights of everyday folks like you and me. Imagine this. They send you their website or product, and all they want in return is your honest opinion. Yep, it's as straightforward as that. They're not looking for experts or fancy qualifications. They just want real, honest feedback from regular folks. After all, it's us everyday consumers that they're trying to target with their products. So by sharing your thoughts, you're not just helping them, but you're also snagging yourself a paid work-from-home gig. Talk about a win-win. For number 8, leveraging affiliate marketing with a platform like Rewardful. Here's why I'm digging this one. It's super beginner-friendly and straightforward. You can browse through tons of different programs and start promoting them with ease. We're talking about $400 in earnings so far. Yep, you heard that right. And website number 9, textmaster.com. Here's the deal. You can turn your knack for language into cold, hard cash by becoming a professional translator or writer. Whether it's crafting content or translating it into different languages, there's money to be made here. Now, typically, these gigs can net you anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour. But hold up, because there are some seriously lucrative opportunities too. We're talking about gigs that can fetch you a jaw-dropping $70 to $100 per hour. Yep, those are the kind of gigs that might require a bit more expertise and finesse. But if you've got the chops, why not give it a shot? So if you're fluent in multiple languages and have a way with words, this could be the perfect gig for you. For website number 10, designcrowd.com. This platform is your ticket to getting paid for your design chops. Here's the deal. Head over to the jobs section, specifically the logo design section, and you'll find a whopping 175 logo design gigs up for grabs right now. And get this, they're paying anywhere from 150 Canadian dollars to a staggering 240 to 580 US dollars for a single logo design. Yep, you heard me right. Imagine knocking out a logo in less than an hour and pocketing a cool $500 for your efforts. But here's the catch. Not every design gets the green light. With over 100 designers already in the mix, competition is fierce. Only the chosen designs get paid, so you'll need to pour your heart and soul into creating something truly outstanding. But hey, if you've got the skills, there's a goldmine of opportunities waiting for you here. And it's not just logo designs, they've got gigs for all sorts of creative projects. At number 11, something that's making waves on social media right now, the TikTok Creativity Program. This program is hot, and I mean really hot. They're paying out over $1 for every 1,000 views, and some savvy creators who've been churning out faceless TikToks are banking serious cash. We're talking about folks pulling in over $12 million in just 30 days. And get this, you don't even have to show your face. Yep, you heard me right. If you've got a knack for video editing and you're tuned into social media trends, you can create killer content without ever revealing your mug and still rake in the dough from the creativity program. Here's the buzz for number 12, and boy, does it sound like a blast, surveymagic.co. Yep, it's another one of those platforms that tries to make surveys sound like a party, even though we all know they're not exactly a barrel of laughs. But hey, if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and tackle some surveys, this app will pay you for your efforts. You'll get paid to complete various surveys and offers, and here's the kicker. They're dishing out 20 cents per survey. Not too shabby, right? And when payday rolls around, you'll be cashing in via PayPal, giving you the freedom to use your hard-earned cash however you please. For number 13, get ready to dive into YT Jobs.co, where you can snag gigs specifically tailored to YouTube creators. And get this, even Mr. Beast himself is scouting talent here. Just head over to the jobs section and you'll find a smorgasbord of opportunities waiting for you. Whether it's video editing, content creation, or something else entirely, there's a gig for everyone. And the pay? Well, it ranges from $100 to a whopping $300 per hour for video editing gigs, with some even offering $1,150 per hour or $15,000 a month. Talk about some serious cash flow. But here's the thing to keep in mind. While it's free to apply for now, there's talk that they might start charging folks down the line. So, if you're keen on jumping into the world of YouTube-related gigs, now might just be the perfect time to get in on the action. For number 14, we have 99designs.com. This platform is a goldmine for designers looking to cash in on their skills. Here's the scoop. Head over to the 99 Design section and you'll find a treasure trove of design contests just waiting for your creative touch. Take, for example, a logo design gig that's offering a cool 400 Australian dollars. Or how about another contest offering a whopping $600 for a logo design? Yep, you read that right. All you gotta do is check out the project details, including the preferred colors and design style, whip up a killer logo, and submit it. We'll move on to number 15, socialtrader.com. Here's the deal. If you're a student sitting in class, you can whip out your phone and start growing Instagram accounts. Yep, you heard that right. Just pump out content, grow those accounts, and then head over to socialtrader.com to cash in. See, people are willing to shell out big bucks for Instagram accounts with a decent following. Sure, it might not be hundreds of dollars per hour, but it's a sweet side hustle you can do in your spare time. Plus, you don't even need to show your face. Just post as much content as possible and watch those follower numbers climb. For our last one, YouTube automation. Picture this: combining faceless YouTube automation with affiliate marketing and a paid community. It's a powerhouse combo that's been lining my pockets with tens of thousands of dollars each month. I'm talking serious cash here. Trust me, when it comes to work from home gigs, this one's a real game changer. Thanks for sticking around till the end of this video where we've dished out some seriously juicy work from home opportunities. Now here's the burning question for you. Which of these gigs are you most excited to try out? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful and packed with value, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time.